Alright, I see what I did wrong. Okay, first of all, we don't need a connection string. What we do need to do is set up a select statement. So $query query equals MySQLi underscore query. Do I have a query up here yet? Nope. Okie dokie. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna have to. It might be easier to do this on a function. I'll play around with that later. So let's see. Con equals MySQLi underscore. Let's see. Name of the server. Username ABC123 is the password. And then the database. So now we're saying $con. We don't need to put this statement. I should have probably mentioned that as well. And that's because it's not in a class or a function, so we're not having to reference a parameter. Select. Do I want to select all? Yeah, why not put a wildcard? From movie Alright, so you know what? We're gonna do a while. MySQLi underscore fetch underscore ASSOC. And we're just gonna continuously loop through this. $QUERY. Wait a minute, or do I want to set up a variable? You know what? I want to set up a variable first. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this. Control X. Control V. Put a semicolon. Whoops. $sign fetch FETCH equals that. And then, well, $sign FETCH. Echo $sign FETCH, and then we're going to do another echo. Jeez. File underscore location. And then, oh yeah, that's right. Don't forget the quotes. underscore name. Is that how I have it? Movie name. And now for the type. Echo $, fetch. This is the type. Movie. Okay. Again. Words. Okay, so while fetch. Alright. Well, I guess I could also do it another way. Boom. Unexpected question mark. Line 10. Oh, that's why. There we go. Ha! Yeah, look at that. I got an infinite loop. Okay, let's stop that because that's bad. I don't want it to do it as an infinite, and that's exactly what's going on right now. So where movie underscore ID equals $15. You know what? Let's not do the while. Let's just do this. Yep. Did I get sound? Yes, I did. And there you go. Now, I know that there's a way to not need this, and you can upload all the videos, but as you saw, you get an infinite loop. So I'm wondering, let's just try this real quick. If $sign fetch well, that sure as heck didn't work. Oh, what the hell. Dang it. Again. Boom. And boom. There. It'd be nice to loop through all the IDs. That might not be too difficult. And just the IDs of the movies. And that's it. I've already spent too much time on this. Well, at least we got this part to work. Again, thanks for watching. And see you all later.